Hello, I'm Timothy Perfect from Tucanu Software, and I want to show you how we can use a quick way to put multiple Macs into DFU mode using the acroname hub to be able to put a Mac OS reinstall down on them very, very quickly. So why would you want to do this? So if you have a new Macs that come from the factory and you're worried about them being the most recent version of Mac OS, or also just what is part of your security policy, all machines have to be erased when you're ingesting them, or you have machines that are Apple silicon machines that are you don't know if they're the current version of Mac OS or not. You can just use apple-configurator to easily put them back or put them to the most recent state. But this will show you how to do multiple ones through a hub, but also how to use DFU Blaster, and also I'll talk a little bit about how to get them into DFU mode in a very easy way. So let me show you my setup here. So what I have here is I have two Macs. I have a MacBook Air that's currently at Ventura. It doesn't really matter what version of the OS it is, and it's an M1 Mac, and I have an M1 Mac Mini as well. And that one's turned on. You can see it has a, it's kind of hard to see, but it has a white light. It's on right now. It's just booted up. And you can see I have Apple Configurator here as well. And it should have, well, it's just showing the one machine here now. Doesn't really matter. So what I want to do is put them in a DFU mode. The other thing is I have, there's a USB-C cable here coming out of the DFU port, which is the back, the port closest to the hinge, that goes into my acroname hub here. I also have the Mac Mini. It has the USB-C plugged into the one closest to the Ethernet, which is, again, is the DFU port, and that goes into port 2 of the acroname, or it doesn't matter which port, because it's port 2. And my upstream port is port 0, and I have that plugged into my admin Mac here that's running Apple Configurator and DFU Blaster. And what we're looking for, and hopefully in the future, acroname will have the firmware ability to be able to send commands to put any port, a Mac plugged in any port into that's Apple Silicon into DFU mode. And so we don't have that yet, so we'll use our DFU Blaster to be able to do it, which means I have to plug it to the admin machine. So it adds one additional step that hopefully in the future we'll get rid of. So what I'll do is I'll take this MacBook Air and I'll unplug it from port 1 on the switch, or the hub, and I'll plug it into the DFU port on the admin Mac, and then I'll click Put Target in DFU mode. So we can see that this one here should immediately shut off and go into DFU mode. And then it should put it in DFU mode, and it should appear here momentarily. Oh, once I plug it back into the hub. Forgot I need to do that. Plug it back into the hub. There it goes. No, I plugged the wrong one in. Let me do that again. Got to plug the MacBook Air into the hub. Okay, so now I've got one in DFU mode and one not in DFU mode, which is the Mac Mini, which is easy enough to do. So I'll just take the USB cable that goes from the DFU one, take it out of port 2, plug it into the DFU port on the Mac, my admin Mac, and say, put in DFU mode. And you can't really see this, but the light goes from white, I'll have to do a second time, white to amber. So now it's in DFU mode, and you can see that it showed up in DFU mode here. So I will go ahead and plug this one back into this switch. There we go. So now we have two, let's say DFU mode. Yep, it does. I have two Macs in DFU mode. So let me move this out of the way. And we have two of these machines in DFU mode. And so I can select both of them and restore Mac OS onto them. But before I do that, I wanted to open up Terminal. And you can see that I can use the command line version, cfg util list, and I can see them both showed up in DFU mode. So I can restore them through the command line, or I can just go into Apple Configurator, highlight them both, and click Restore, and then click on restore. And you can see that it'll go ahead and restore both of those simultaneously. Let me move this around a little bit. Move me around a little bit. There we go. And so then this, you can see the acronym switch has 6 ports on it, 0 through 5. We're plugged into 0 right now, which is the upstream port, which allows you to, that's the one that's going to actually be running configurator. And then the other ones are the devices that it will plug in to be able to, in DFU mode. So you can do up to 5 devices simultaneously. Is that right? 1 through 5. That's correct. There's 6 ports, and one's the upstream port, the other 5 are downstream. It will share the bandwidth because it's only coming from this one machine, so you will have some longer times. But what I've seen is it's about 10 minutes per machine. So if you have all 5, it would be 50 minutes, but then you have 5 machines all set up. And you can also, of course, have multiple Macs be able to doing this in parallel. So that is kind of the demo of using the acronym switch to be able to do multiple Macs at once. Thank you very much for watching. Please visit us at twocanoes.com for more information on MDS and DFU Blaster. Thank you very much for watching.